If you want an umbrella that can handle both heavy rain and strong sun without falling apart, you're in the right place. Today, I'm reviewing 5 of the best umbrellas for rain and sun, focusing on durability, UV protection, and everyday portability so you can pick the right one for daily use. Let's get into it. We have included links in the description. Number 1. Bodyguard Inverted Umbrella Large Windproof for Rain and Sun, Compact Reverse with Reflective Stripe, Teflon Coated for Women Men, Travel Folding with Cover Bag. The Bodyguard Inverted Umbrella is best known in the United States for its reverse folding design that helps keep water contained when closing the umbrella indoors or getting into vehicles. This type of umbrella has become increasingly popular with American buyers because it addresses one of the most annoying real-world umbrella problems, getting soaked while entering your car or dripping water all over floors. In real-life US use, this umbrella is especially popular among drivers, daily commuters, parents managing kids and groceries, people living in rainy states, office workers, travelers, urban apartment residents. The biggest standout feature is the inverted folding mechanism. Traditional umbrellas close outward, which means all the wet surface ends up exposed when you bring it inside. The reverse folding design traps the wet side inward instead. In practical terms, this helps reduce dripping water in cars, entryways, offices, elevators, public transportation. For Americans constantly jumping in and out of vehicles during storms, this actually feels surprisingly useful once you experience it. Another major advantage is the larger canopy size compared to many compact umbrellas. This provides better body coverage during heavy rain, especially for taller adults or people carrying backpacks, purses, or work bags. The windproof design also performs reasonably well during stormy weather. In many parts of the United States, especially coastal cities and windy urban areas, umbrella durability matters a lot. The reflective stripe is another practical touch for Americans walking near roads during dark rainy evenings. Visibility becomes important in busy suburban or city traffic conditions. Number 2. Tamilla's Strongest Windproof Travel Umbrella, Compact, Superior and Beautiful, Small, Wind-Tested, Light and Portable, Automatic Folding Rain Umbrella, Durable Premium Grip, Fits car and backpack. The Tamilla Windproof Travel Umbrella is best known in the United States for offering a more stylish, premium-feeling compact umbrella experience while still focusing heavily on portability and wind resistance. In the American market, a lot of travel umbrellas feel purely functional and forgettable. The Tamilla stands out because it tries to combine durability with a more polished design that appeals to commuters, travelers, and professionals who actually carry an umbrella daily. In real-world US use, this umbrella is commonly carried by office workers, frequent travelers, college students, urban commuters, business professionals, people living in rainy cities, Americans wanting something more attractive than cheap gas station umbrellas. One of the biggest strengths is the compact portability. In everyday American life, convenience matters. This umbrella folds down small enough to fit into backpacks, tote bags, laptop bags, carry-on luggage, car door storage, work briefcases. That makes it practical for unpredictable weather situations where carrying a large umbrella all day would feel annoying. The second major strength is the wind-resistant frame design. If you live in US cities like Chicago, New York, Boston, or Seattle, you already know how quickly cheap umbrellas fail during gusty storms. Tamilla specifically markets durability and wind testing, and compared to bargain umbrellas, it generally feels sturdier and more reinforced. Number 3. AC Icon Golf Umbrella Large 58/62/68-inch Automatic Open Golf Umbrella Extra Large Oversized Double Canopy Vented Umbrella Windproof Waterproof for Men and Women. The AC Icon Golf Umbrella is best known in the United States for one thing: massive weather coverage combined with strong wind resistance for outdoor use. This is the exact opposite of a tiny travel umbrella. In the US market, oversized golf umbrellas are extremely popular among golfers, sports parents, outdoor workers, commuters in heavy rain, Families attending outdoor events. People living in storm-prone states. In real American life, this type of umbrella is commonly used during youth soccer games, football tailgates, golf rounds, outdoor festivals, parking lot walks, heavy storm conditions, long rainy commutes. One of the biggest strengths is the huge canopy size. Compared to compact travel umbrellas, this provides dramatically better coverage. In practical terms, that means better protection for tall adults, more coverage for backpacks or briefcases, enough space for 2 people comfortably, better shielding during sideways rain. For many Americans, especially parents attending kids' sports events, that extra coverage makes a massive difference during long rainy afternoons. Another major advantage is the double canopy vented design. Strong wind is one of the main reasons umbrellas fail in the US, especially in open parking lots or city streets. The vented structure helps wind pass through more effectively instead of immediately flipping the umbrella inside out. Number 4. Rainmate 100% windproof umbrellas for rain. Compact with strong fiberglass rib design and easy auto open and close, portable folding mini umbrella for travel, lightweight and packable for women and men. The Rainmate travel umbrella is best known in the United States for being a lightweight, affordable, highly portable everyday umbrella designed for commuters and travel use. This category is extremely competitive in the US because Americans love compact, always keep it nearby umbrellas that fit into bags, cars, and backpacks without taking up much space. In real-world American use, the Rainmate is commonly carried by students, travelers, office commuters, city residents, parents, frequent flyers, people wanting emergency rain protection. One of the biggest strengths is the lightweight compact design. Compared to bulkier umbrellas, this one is easy to carry daily without feeling inconvenient. That matters because many Americans don't want to carry a large umbrella all day just in case it rains. The automatic open and close system also helps make quick rain situations easier to manage, especially when entering vehicles, boarding trains, walking into office buildings, carrying groceries or coffee. Number 5. Repel Windproof Travel Umbrella, compact and withstands winds up to 100 miles per hour, strongest premium auto-folding umbrella for rain and sun, durable, light and portable for women and men, fits backpack and cars. The Repel Windproof Travel Umbrella is one of the most popular compact umbrellas in the United States, and it's best known for combining strong wind resistance with everyday portability. In the US market, this umbrella has built a reputation as the kind of reliable keep-it-in-your-bag or car at all times umbrella that works for commuters, travelers, and everyday city life. In real-world American use, this umbrella is commonly carried by office workers commuting in cities, college students walking across campus, travelers flying for business, parents keeping emergency umbrellas in SUVs, people dealing with unpredictable weather in places like New York, Chicago, Seattle, or Boston. One of the biggest reasons Americans buy this umbrella is the compact folding design. A lot of full-size umbrellas become annoying because they're awkward to carry everywhere. The Repel folds down small enough to fit inside backpacks, work bags, carry-ons, or glove compartments. That portability matters in the US because weather changes fast in many states. People often leave home during clear skies and suddenly deal with heavy rain or wind later in the day. Now let's talk about the main selling point, wind resistance. Cheap umbrellas are notorious for flipping inside out during storms, especially in windy cities like Chicago or coastal areas. The Repel is designed specifically to reduce that problem. In real-world conditions, it handles gusty weather much better than bargain store umbrellas. So those are 5 of the best umbrellas for rain and sun available right now. If one fits your needs, check the links down below for the latest prices. And if you're still not sure which one to choose, drop your question in the comments, I'll help you out. Thanks for watching.